Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write Hello World program in Laravel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. To write a Hello World in Laravel, we go to Routes, Web, and then we create a route here. This is for the view, so route get slash hello view, this is will be the parameter, and then we will create a function here, return hello. Now the second page is the create of the view, so we go to resources, view, and then we go to hello.blade.php. so it is a very simple HTML file here, header 3 hello world. Okay, so take note that the file name, this one, the first word hello, should be, we'll put in our route, no, in the web.php here, or else it will create an error. Hello view, this is the parameter slash hello view. Now let us go here in the command line. So PHP run the server, artisan, and then serve to run the server. And cell, so we just copy the link here, open the browser, Mozilla, Firefox, paste, and then we put here slash hello view. Okay, there is a bug, I just forgot, no, hello world. Let us fix that. Morning. So wala, so that's it. Let us refresh. Okay, we get the right result. So again, we have here the hello blade and then the route. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.